Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I wanted to come and do a video to talk to you guys about this. Hang on, let me fix my light. I guess that is as good as it gets. Maybe that's better, a little brighter. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the Fimo clay and making these little candy canes. So you guys saw that I bought the Fimo and it turned into these little things here. That one got kind of squished up, but anyway, it gets twisted into this, and I followed a video which I'll link below because I don't do this. I haven't done this in like 20 years, so I had to follow a video. So I won't be doing a tutorial, but I will go ahead and link the tutorial that I followed, and she does a great job of explaining it. And what I really like about this is that it's got this glittery, well, it's got like glitter, fine glitter in it, and it turns into these really pretty little candy canes. So I made them this skinny, so this is as skinny as it can get, and I made them, I baked them, dried them, sprayed them with clear spray outside, and brought them in, let them cool off from being outside too, after they had baked in the oven for 30 minutes. Anyway, so that's that. And those are the ones that I made, and I have plenty to do more. So I'm really happy with my decision to make the little candy canes myself. Even though some of them are uneven, some of them are skinny, some of them fatter. But I love that, and I love the character. So let me show you guys my gingerbread men that I've been working on. So, first I want to show you the ones that are not finished yet. And yeah, these are the ones that are not finished yet. So these are the girls. They got little curl. And eyelashes. I still need to do their cheeks. So I'll have to do their cheeks. I'm not done yet. So that's the girls. I did distress the edges with vintage photo. And then there's some here that are the boys. So these are the boys, no curl, no eyelashes, just plain squigglies. And so that's the boys, and I did also go around it. Now, the difference between these dies, as you can see, one's slightly bigger, and that is the die. This is the die that's slightly bigger, and this is the one I did on my Cricut. So that's the difference between that, and then the way the legs and arms are positioned. Okay, so there's that. And so let me start to show you the ones that I did. There's a little boy. He's got his pajamas on. And the little joy, I did the joy. These are the words. I'll show you guys these. And so I did these words myself. And I have one that says, it's a little gingerbread, it says Feliz Navidad, and that. So I got quite a few that I did. So those are mine. And then, but there's some that I did not buy, that I did not make, and I bought from Lily of the Valley. And I'll show you what those look like. And here's a little girl that I made. I got this cute little paper, and the little punch from that little gingerbread was a gift from my sisters. They had given me a bunch of stamps and punches and paper. So that is gingerbread, and it is by E-Cake Success. It's very little, and let's see, how big is it? Probably a little bigger than 1/4 of an inch. So let's see how many eighths, because it looks like it's in eighths. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths and a 16th. I don't know how much that is, but about 4 eighths. Anyway, excuse me. So there you go. That's how big. It's very cute. And I did this, and because she had a little snowflake dress, I adorned her with little snowflakes and some bling. Little girls always have to have some bling. So I did that, and the snowflake punch that I used here was a McGill, and it's like a corner punch, but I didn't take it all the way to the corner. I just used that portion of it right there, the center. It makes nice little snowflakes. So then I did this one with snowflake wishes, because he's got a snowflake, and I took a little I still don't remember the name of these. They're not brads, but they're used in office, you know, the spring I don't know what you call them. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, so I did this myself, and then this is what I did was I painted it with the beautiful red polish that I had. So I just painted it, let it dry, and then I did a top coat. So that's why it looks really super pretty. So I've had those for a long time. And I have a little snowflake, and that was a Jolie's, and it had a blue little thing in the middle, a little jewel, but I took it off and changed it to red. I gave him a little scarf. I did some little enamel dots to his eyes, and then this here is a ribbon. So it's plastic on one side, but it's velvet on the other, and it was like a 2-inch one, and it made the hat perfectly. Then I have some glitter cardstock. So I did that. Then we have the little girl, and she's got a little gingerbread that says joy, and I gave her some curls, a little bow in her hair, and a little pearl for that. So that's hers. And then I did this little guy with a candy cane, one of my candy canes. This here comes from Lily of the Valley, the season greetings. I fussy cut them, and I did a bow with the little red enamel and 2 little black buttons, and he looks really cute. So there's that. And then I did these with the bell, a bow, bling, and this is a Lily of the Valley, some stickles, some buttons, and I did do his cheeks in pink chalk and his eyes with white, and I still need to go back to the rest and do that. But there's that. I think it's super cute. And then here is the pink one, which I think this is one of my favorites, is the pink one. I went over her eyes with the white. I went over her with white on everything. When I stamped this one, it was super light. I didn't have enough ink on it, so I decided to go over with white instead of try to restamp her face again, because I didn't have my stamp positioner, so I just decided to go ahead and do it. So anyway, I got this paper that's got the bigger polka dots, so I thought I would give her polka dots on her dress, and everything turned out really cute. It says twinkle and sparkle, because she's got lots of sparkle, so I thought that would be cute, and very soft little trim here. So yeah, it's been fun making these. I'm enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to making more of them. And when I get these guys done, so I got these to finish, and when I get those done, I will share them with you. But I thought that it would be fun to see what I was up to, and I did that this weekend. I think I started like Thursday, Friday, and I just played with them yesterday, and I was able to get all this done. So yeah, so that's that for now, guys. I hope you're having a great Monday, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.